we are looking the properties of a determinant. So first property is if we interchange any row or column, interchange any row or column, does not affect the value of a determinant. This is the first property. For example, like I can say that is 1 2 3 4. Now if we interchange like let's say I can say that is a transpose of the determinant. So 1 3 2 4, the both will be the answer is what is 4 minus 6, that is equal to 1 minus t. Both of the determinant. It means that the determinant of A becomes equal to a determinant of a transpose. That becomes equal to. So this will be a first property. That is, if we interchange any row or column, does not affect the value of a determinant. This is the first property. Second property, if we interchange any two row, interchange any two rows or columns, then will alter the sign. यानी इसका जो साइन है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम इसकी एग्जाम्पल एक कर लेते हैं, लाइक सी डी एंड ए बी, like CD and AB, like that, AB. So when we interchange the row, both of the rows, so this will becomes equal to a AB and CD, and what will be the answer? That is the answer, look at this, AD minus BC, and the answer of this will be a CB minus AD. So if I can take negative sign from there, so this will be a BC minus AD. So this will be, look at this and this will be a same. So negative sign will alter. कहने का मकसद है कि दो डिटर्मिनेंट, अगर हम एक डिटर्मिनेंट ले और उनकी दोनों रोज को चेंज कर दें या दोनों कॉलम को चेंज कर दें, तो क्या होगा, नेगेटिव का इफेक्ट जो है वो उसके ऊपर पड़ जाएगा, यानी नेगेटिव साइन जो है वो उसमें चेंज आएगी. ये हमारी दो प्रॉपर्टीज थी जी. नाउ थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज देयर, if any row or column, if all the entries of any row or column, if all the entries of any row or column are zeros, then determinant is zero. For example, like I can say that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 0 0 0. And in second example I can say that is 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if we take the determinant, not the matrices, that is the determinant. That is a determinant. So this will be the determinant will be a 0. Now further is the fourth property. The fourth property is there, if any two row or two column are same, if any two rows or columns are same, are identical, then determinant is 0. What I have say, if two rows or columns are identical, कोई सी दो रो या दो कॉलम अगर एक जैसी आ जाए तो डिटर्मिनेंट 0 हो जाएगा. लाइक यहाँ पे देखें 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3. तो अब देखें फर्स्ट C1 एंड C3 are identical, so determinant will be 0. Second example, that is a second example, that is A B C D E F and again A B C. So I can say that is R1 and R3 are same, so determinant is 0. This will be a fourth property. Now fifth property. The fifth property is that if all the elements of the principal diagonal are same and elsewhere are 0, if the principal diagonal are same and elsewhere is 0, elsewhere are zeros, then deter 0, then the elements of the diagonal, then the elements of diagonals will be multiplied, now we can take an example. For example, like I can say 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. So all the principal diagonal are same. So what I can do, I can just multiply 2 into 2 into 2. So this will be an 8 answer. So these are the fifth properties. Now move towards the property number 6. Property number 6 is that if one row or column is multiple of another row or of another row or column, then determinant will be 0. Then determinant is 0, like that. For example, मतलब कोई एक रो जो है वो दूसरी रो की मल्टीपल हो, यानी कि सेम हो, दूसरे लफ्जों में सेम हो, तो डिटर्मिनेंट 0 हो जाएगा. हम इसकी एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. लाइक 2b and c. So 2b and 2c and c. So now we can solve it. That is a 2bc minus 2bc. So determinant is 0. We can take another example like ca and ca same. The column, the first column that is a c1 is the multiple of the same of the c2. So when we multiply this ca minus ca, so answer will be 0. So this will be a property number 6. Number 7. If we have two determinants like I can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 1 minus 1 6 2. So what will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 9 and 3. What is the property? If we have a two determinants like that and they are adding with each other, and in these two determinants any two row or two column are same, like I can say that is a c1 and c2 are same in both the determinants. So third column third column or third row, any third row or third column, like that. I can say C3 here and C3 is there, will be added. So 7 minus 1, that is a 6. 3 plus 6, that is a 9. And 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this will be a property number 7 that we can solve this question.